Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titinan natin ang energies na inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances for March 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Ang energies, money, career, finances for Aquarius, love, beauty, and courage. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong love for beauty. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, nasa beauty business kayo, skincare business, or nandun yung career ninyo. So you might be, parang iba sa inyo, maaring magta-try kayo na magnegosyo na may kinalaman sa beauty and skincare, no? Sa pagpapaganda. Maraming branches yan, no? Iba't iba. And I think, meron ka kasing passion for that, and ngayon mas maglalakas loob ka na sumubok, no? Sumubok kang sa ganyang klaseng negosyo, pwedeng magre-reseller ka, or ikaw mismo yung magpo-formulate ng mga beauty products na gusto mo, or mga bagay na pagpapaganda. Pwedeng rin sa damit yan kasi styling din yan, 'di ba? So, mga ganon. Maring nasa beauty business kayo. Ang lakas ng Venus energy ninyo and also Leo energy. So, this is about being confident sa iyong talents and skills, no? Sa galing mo. So, tinan pa natin. You also have Master of Discernment. So, this is a rebirth, pagbabago, changes in your life. With the Ace of Branches here, this is a new, exciting beginning para sa inyo na mas magiging committed kayo dito. You may be also parang collaborating with mga mentors, no? Maaring meron kang coach or teacher, mentor na nagsasabi sa'yo na gawin mo yan, or ini-encourage ka, no? Na ipagpatuloy mo yung mga plano mo, or isakatuparan mo na yung mga plano mo. Yung iba sa inyo, matagal kayong naghintay for this opportunity, and this is it. Meron ng opportunity na nag-open sa inyo. Yes, look at that. So, this is the Sun energy. So, that is Leo energy. Ang lakas ng Leo energy rito, and also Taurus and Scorpio. Okay? Nine of Crows. Some of you are nasa stress kung paano nyo to sisimulan. But definitely, you will make some adjustments, or meron kang gagawin para mabawasan yung stress mo. Maaring kakalmahin mo yung sarili mo, or maniniwala ka sa sarili mo. Kasi syempre, kung meron kang gustong simulan, subukan, i-try, diba? Sa una parang kakabahan ka kasi iniisip mo, ito ba'y magiging successful? Ito ba'y magiging best for me? Ito tama ba yung aking desisyon? So, kalmahin nyo lang daw ang inyong mga sarili kasi you are on the right path. Okay? You also have the Two of Fossils. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring nahihirapan kayo na bitawan yung isang bagay na meron na kayo ngayon. Like, halimbawa, may trabaho kayo ngayon, natatakot pa kayo na bitawan yan para magnegosyo na lang, no? So, pwede nyo naman pagsabayin yan. Okay? You have the ability to, multitask. Kaya mo siyang pagsabayin sa ngayon. And tingnan mo muna kung paano ito made-develop, no, over time, na maaring darating dun sa panahon na kailangan mo nang mag-resign sa trabaho kasi mataas na yung demand ng business mo, 'di ba? Maraming mga ganon. So at least you don't have to worry na meron kang maiiwanan na may bibitawan ka, no? Okay, you also have Bat, listen up. You are working through deep soul patterns. Release any outdated beliefs that surface. So, this is about changing your perspective, no? Maari kasing nakasanayan mo, lalo na kung ito ay parang na-influence sa'yo ng mga magulang mo or ng family mo na, kapag meron kang trabaho, yan yung parang, yan yung guarantee na meron kang kikitain, magkakapera ka kasi may trabaho ka, na empleyado ka. But maaring nare-realize mo na hindi lang naman ganun. Ang paraan para kumita ng pera, maraming paraan. Isa lang yon sa paraan at maaring ngayon nag-e-explore ka, may sinusubukan ka ng ibang pamamaraan. Ayan. See, you are stepping into your own power. Don't take a backseat in your story. It's time to step up. Yes, you are finally stepping up. Hindi mo na hayaan na maimpluwensyahan ka ng iba, mayroon kang sarili mong pananaw, pananampalataya, at pagtingin sa iyong sarili, no? So, maaring mas magfo-focus ka doon on how to increase your earning potentials. And yan yung pag-step sa iyong sarili mong power na meron kang kakayanan. Okay? Do not limit yourself. Sabi rito, hold your highest vision for your life. You now possess the ability to move past any hurdles. Yes, kaya mong malagpasan ang mga challenges dahil masyado kang malakas, magaling, matalino. Okay? And you also have Cardinal, stand tall and proud. See the leadership role unfolding ahead of you. Wow. So, meron daw leadership role na nag-open up sa'yo. So, maaaring itong leadership role na to for some of you, if you are not planning to start a business, maaaring merong malilipat ka sa ibang department na kung saan mas magiging mataas yung position mo, mag-handle ka ng mas maraming tao, magiging leader ka. At yung iba naman sa inyo, pag sinabi natin leadership role is, di ba pag nag-business ka, mas ikaw yung merong hawak sa career mo, sa buhay mo. And of course, you have the control and you are the leader of your own destiny, diba? And also, kapag lumaki rin yung business mo, magkakaroon ka na ng mga tauhan, empleyado, and you are the leader, you are the boss, you become the leader of your own career, diba? So, marami pang mag-open na leadership role for you. So, just take what resonates, Aquarius, no? Pwede tong sa career, pwede rin tong sa inyong sariling business. Uy, may money path. Sabi dito, a path with money is waiting for you to find it. Hinihintay ka lang daw ng path ng pera na yan. So, I think this is something to do with the business that you're trying to open or the opportunity na sinusubukan mong i-grab, no? I also have Caterpillar. Sabi dito, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Yes. Ang Caterpillar kasi nag-evolve yan, no? And after some time, nagtatransform siya into a beautiful butterfly, diba? So you are now transforming yourself. You are now transforming your life, and you are leading your way to this money path na maaring mas magdadagdag pa ng income sa'yo, mas magtataas ng buhay mo, ng iyong lifestyle, and maari ring dito mo rin makikita yung totoo mong life's purpose dahil mas gaganahan ka sa mga gagawin mo and you feel na you belong in this type of career or business dahil na-excite ka or nag-e-enjoy ka sa mga ginagawa mo. So, there are a lot of things for you to discover ngayong March. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.